India's economy hits new heights, 7.8%. GDP growth in Q3 FY26 as government launches 2022-23 base year. India has officially entered a new era of economic reporting today, February 27, 2026, with the Ministry of Statistics, MOSPI, unveiling the much-anticipated 2022-23 base year series. The first data point under this new series shows India's economy grew by a powerful 7.8% in the third quarter, October to December, of the 2025-26 fiscal year. This figure comfortably beat market expectations of 7.4%, proving that India's domestic demand remains resilient despite global interest rates and shifting trade dynamics. The shift from the 2011-12 base year to the 2022-23 series is a massive technical upgrade designed to capture the modern, digitalized reality of New India. By updating the base year, the government can now accurately track the explosion of the gig economy, e-commerce, and digital payments that were minimal a decade ago. A major change in this series is the adoption of double deflation, which measures real growth in manufacturing by adjusting both input and output costs separately. The manufacturing sector continues to be the primary engine of growth, recording double-digit expansion for the fifth consecutive quarter under the revised metrics. Despite early season weather concerns, the agricultural sector showed a strong recovery, contributing significantly to the overall 7.8% growth print this quarter. While real GDP grew at 7.8%, nominal GDP growth stood at 8.9%, signaling that inflation is staying within a manageable zone while the economy expands. Following their strong Q3 performance, the government has revised its full-year growth projection for FY26 upward to 7.6%, up from the earlier estimate of 7.4%. Chief Economic Advisor V. Ananta Nageshwaran noted that this new data confirms India is firmly on the path to becoming a $4 trillion economy by the end of this year. India extends its lead as the fastest growing major economy in the world, widening the gap between itself and other emerging markets with this latest data. The data shows that private capital expenditure and government infrastructure spending both grew by over 7%, indicating a healthy investment cycle is underway. Looking ahead to FY27, analysts suggest that the new base year provides a more stable foundation for policy making and will attract higher foreign direct investment. Today's data isn't just about a 7.8% growth rate, it's about a more transparent and accurate way of measuring India's rising influence on the global stage. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.